China launched 3 satellites on a Long March 4B for remote sensing, novel Lobster eye, X-ray astronomy, and commercial data acquisition. The Long March 4B rocket lifted off from the Taiwan Satellite Launch Center at 11:13 p.m. The China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, the country's main space contractor, confirmed launch success within the hour. The main payload was a Z-13 remote sensing satellite, which was developed by the China Academy of Space Technology. The satellite has a trio of roughly 2.3 meter resolution cameras for producing geographic information products and resource survey and monitoring. The new satellite will be networked with the Z-1301 and Z-1302, as well as the Gaofeng 7 satellites in orbit to provide stable satellite data sources. A 4th and final Z-13 series satellite may be launched in 2020. The 2 small satellites for X-ray astronomy and commercial data acquisition were developed by the Shanghai ASES Spaceflight Technology Company Limited, which is a research institute under the Shanghai Academy of Spaceflight Technology. The Lobster Eye X-ray telescope is a pioneering experiment with the involvement of Hong Kong University and Nanjing University. The aim of the NGU HKU No. 1 satellite is to verify ultra-large field of view imaging for searching for dark matter signals in the X-ray energy range. Science goals include searching for hypothetical sterile neutrino particles, the constituents of dark matter, hot gas in galaxy clusters, solar system comets, and the interaction of the solar wind with the Earth's magnetosphere are other areas of study for the Lobster Eye X-ray payload. The data acquisition satellite is understood to be a part of plans by Beijing Guodang Gao Technology Company Limited to build its Apocalypse constellation. The satellite is part of technology verification tests for the narrowband Internet of Things constellation. The launch was China's 21st of 2020, which included 3 failures. The inaugural flights of the Kuazhou 11 and Long March 7A ended in failure. The Palapa N1 communication satellite was lost on a Long March 3B launch. The previous launch saw the country's first independent interplanetary mission, Tianwen-1, which was successfully sent on a trajectory to Mars. A naming contest for the 240-kilogram rover has since been announced. The CASC stated early in January that it was its intention to launch around 40 times in 2020. Other launch service providers such as X-Space, with its Kuazhou solid rockets, will be assisting with additional missions from the China Space Station. Now like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the launch of these new satellites out into space and the information that they will be providing. As more countries get into the space race and get into developing space technology, more persons will be going to space, and of course, more rovers will be going to Mars and possibly to other planets in the future. Of course, they will also be sending more satellites in order to provide their own satellite services, both commercially and also for their own purposes as a country. They will want to be able to provide their own internet services, their own GPS services, their own navigational services for airplanes and ships. They will also want to be able to provide their own space weather forecasts and such other matters that other satellites provide them with. As countries become more aware of the importance of having their own data and providing their own services to ensure that they can manage their security, it seems that China's interest in launching satellites out into space seems to be, according to them, it is for their benefit as they become independent space flight missionaries. Now like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the Learning Academy. This is the place for space information, news, reviews, and previews. Thanks for watching.